You join me inside the cabin of my 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser, and I'm not going to review it. This is just an amazing vehicle, and that's the reason I bought it. There's your review. No, the reason I'm talking to you right now from the driver's seat of this particular vehicle is two reasons. One, I'm still waiting on the vehicle I'm reviewing this week to be delivered, so I only have this. And two, I need to update you. And here goes. I'm not a flippant person, which is why this is particularly difficult for me to say. But New Car Network was a mistake, and I'm not going to do it anymore. Why? Well, I still stand behind the idea of a channel dedicated to POV drives and walkarounds, but I'm an automotive journalist, as I hope you would know if you're watching this, and automotive journalists like myself don't make very much money. Like, really don't make very much money. And with New Car Network, all the effort I took to schedule, shoot, edit, and upload those vehicles on a channel that was new and therefore not monetized is a hard pill to swallow. It's many, many hours put into something that doesn't yet have a return, and there's no guarantee of a return coming anytime soon. MilesPerHr, at least with the subscriber count and view numbers that I have, gets some return for the videos I make. It's not a lot, genuinely, it's not much, but it's something. And with all the effort I'm putting into these videos, I could at least handle something instead of nothing. And so I'm going to do all the POV drives and walkarounds that I talked about for New Car Network, but they're just gonna be part of MilesPerHr. So that means a video every day. At the beginning, I'm just going to do a POV drive and a walk around every day because I've got some backlog content on New Car Network that I'm going to port over. But eventually, it'll just settle into one video every day. And then at least once a month, I'm going to do a review or special feature. So if you came for that, please stick around. I will have some of those, I promise. But for now, I'm doing the POV drives and walkarounds on MilesPerHr. So please hang in there. Thank you for your patience. And again, I say, I'm not a flippant person. I'm at least standing by it this time. I love this truck. Now I reviewed it more. There you go.